Changing cell contents. You can change the data in a cell. The process of changing the data either partially or completely is known as editing. Cell contents can be edited in two ways. 1. Replacing cell contents. 2. Using the formula bar. Replacing cell contents. You can replace the contents of a cell by the following steps. Step 1. Go to that cell or click on it to make it the active cell. Step 2. Start typing the new data. The previous data will be automatically replaced by the new data. Using the formula bar. You can change the data partially by clicking on the formula bar or double-clicking the cell. The cursor appears in the cell. Make the necessary changes in the cell or in the formula bar. Press Enter key or click on the Enter button on the formula bar. The cell contents are changed. To change the data partially, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the formula bar or double-click on the cell where you want to edit the data. The cursor appears in the cell. Step 2. Enter the new data in the cell or the formula bar. Step 3. Press Enter key or click on the Enter button on the formula bar. The cell data is changed.